In this video, I'll show you how to revoke permissions in Metamask so dApps and tokens can't use your wallet without your control. First, open the Metamask app or browser extension and unlock your wallet. Let's start with connected sites. In the browser extension, click your account icon or three dots. Go to Settings, then Security and Privacy or Connected Sites. On mobile, open the menu. Go to Settings, then Connected Sites. Here you'll see a list of websites that have permission to connect to your wallet. Tap or click any site you don't trust or no longer use, then choose Disconnect, Remove, or Revoke Connection. This stops that site from accessing your wallet in the future. For token approvals, open a trusted dApp or security tool, like an approvals checker, inside Metamask's browser, connect your wallet, and review the list of tokens with spend permissions. For anything you don't recognize or no longer need, tap Revoke and confirm the transaction. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.